Hello everyone, myself Shivangi Desai, your instructor for the video series of data mining and business intelligence. Today's our topic is dimensionality reduction. So let's get started. Dimensionality reduction, or we can say dimension reduction, is the transformation of data from a high dimensional space into a low dimensional space so that the low dimensional representation retains some meaningful properties of the original data, which is ideally close to its intrinsic dimension. Working in high dimensional spaces can be undesirable for many reasons. Raw data are often sparse as a consequence of the curse of dimensionality, and analyzing the data is usually computationally interactable. Dimensionality reduction is common in fields that deal with large number of observation and large number of variables such as signal processing, speech recognition, neuroinformatics and bioinformatics. In machine learning classification problems, there are often too many factors on the basis of which the final classification is done. These factors are basically variables called features. The higher the number of features, the harder it gets to visualize the training set and then work on it. Sometimes most of these features are correlated and hence redundant. This is where dimensionality reduction algorithms comes into play. Dimensionality reduction is the process of reducing the number of random variables under consideration by obtaining a set of principal variables. It can be divided into feature selection and feature extraction. So let's discuss feature selection. In machine learning and statistics, feature selection, also known as variable selection or attribute selection, or as well as variable subset selection, which is the process of selecting a subset of relevant features, or we can say variables or predictors, for use in model construction. Feature selection methods in data mining and data analysis problems aims to selecting a subset of the variables or features that describe the data in order to obtain a more essential and compact representation of the available information. The selected subset has to be small in size and must retain the information that is most useful for the specific application. The role of feature selection is particularly important when computationally expensive data mining tools are used or when the data collection process is difficult or costly. The central premise when using a feature selection technique is that the data contains some features that are either redundant or irrelevant and can thus be removed without incurring much loss of information. Redundant and irrelevant are two different notations, since one relevant features may be redundant in the presence of another relevant feature with which it is strongly correlated. Feature selection techniques are used for several reasons, like simplification of models to make them easier to interpret by researchers or users, shorter training times, to avoid the curse of dimensionality, enhanced generalization by reducing overfitting, and etc. Feature selection is for filtering irrelevant or redundant features from your data set. The key difference between feature selection and extraction is that feature selection keeps a subset of the original features, while feature extraction creates a brand new one. So let's discuss feature extraction. Feature extraction is for creating a new, smaller set of features that still captures most of the useful information. Again, feature selection keeps a subset of the original features, while feature extraction creates new ones. In machine learning, patterns recognition and image processing, feature extraction starts from an initial set of measured data and builds derived values, or we can say features, which is intended to be informative and non-redundant, facilitating the subsequent learning and generalization steps, and in some cases leading to better human interpretations. Feature extraction is related to dimensionality reduction. Feature extraction projects a data set with higher dimensionality onto a smaller number of dimensions. As such, it is useful for data visualization since a complex data set can be effectively visualized when it is reduced to 2 or 3 dimensions. Some applications of feature extraction are latent semantic analysis, data compression, data decomposition and projection, and pattern recognition. Feature extraction can also be used to enhance the speed and effectiveness of supervised learning. Feature extraction involves reducing the number of resources required to describe a large set of data. When performing analysis of complex data, one of the major problems are the number of variables involved. Analysis with a large number of variables generally require a large amount of memory and computation power. Also, it may cause a classification algorithm to overfit to training samples and generalize poorly to new samples. Feature extraction is a general term for methods of constructing combinations of the variables to get around these problems while still describing the data with sufficient accuracy. Many machine learning practitioners believe that properly optimized features extraction is the key to effective model construction. Feature extraction can be used to extract the themes of a document collection where documents are represented by a set of keywords and their frequencies. Each theme or features is represented by a combination of keywords. The documents in the collection can then be expressed in terms of the discovered themes. Now let's discuss feature transformation. Feature transformation is simply a function that transforms features from one representation to another. But why would we transform our features? Well, there are many reasons, which includes data types are not suitable to be fed into a machine learning algorithm, say for example text or categories. Features values may cause problem during the learning process, say for example data represented in different scales. We want to reduce the number of features to plot and visualize data, speed up training, or improve the accuracy of a specific model. The quality of knowledge extracted from a data set can be enhanced by its transformation. Discretization and filling missing data are the most common forms of data transformation. Feature transformation involves mapping a set of values or the features to a new set of values to make the representation of the data more suitable or easier to process for the downstream analysis. So in today's lecture, we discuss about dimensionality reduction, which includes feature selection and feature extraction. Feature selection is for filtering irrelevant or redundant features from your dataset, whereas feature extraction is for creating a new, smaller set of features that still captures most of the useful information. The key difference between feature selection and extraction is the feature selection keeps a subset of the original features, while feature extraction creates a brand new one. At last, we discuss the meaning of feature transformation. Feature transformation is simply a function that transforms the features from one representation to another. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you.